The typewriter stands as a testament to human ingenuity. It revolutionized communication and left an indelible mark on society. Before its invention, writing was a laborious task. People relied on handwriting, which was often slow and illegible. The typewriter changed all that. It allowed for faster and more efficient production of written documents. The impact was profound. Businesses could communicate more effectively. Authors could unleash their creativity with greater ease. The journey to a reliable typewriter was paved with numerous attempts and innovations. In the 18th century, Englishman Henry Mill patented a writing machine. It was designed to emboss letters onto paper. While innovative for its time, Mill's invention never gained widespread use. In the early 19th century, Italian Pellegrino Turri developed a typewriter for a blind countess. This device allowed her to write independently. The first commercially successful typewriter emerged in the United States in the 19th century. Christopher Latham Sholes, a Wisconsin printer, along with his colleagues, developed a typewriter that would change the world. The Sholes and Glidden typewriter, patented in 1868, employed a system of levers and type bars. Each keystroke would propel a type bar to strike an inked ribbon, imprinting the character on paper. The Sholes and Glidden typewriter, introduced in the 1870s, was a groundbreaking invention that revolutionized the way people wrote. It was the first commercially successful typewriter and set the stage for future advancements in typing technology. However, it was not without its flaws and limitations. Early models of the Sholes and Glidden typewriter were limited in their functionality. One of the most notable limitations was that they could only type in capital letters. This restriction made it difficult to convey proper nouns, acronyms, and the nuances of written language that require both upper and lowercase letters. The arrangement of the keys on these early typewriters was another significant aspect of their design. The keys were arranged in what would later become known as the QWERTY layout. This layout was specifically designed to address a mechanical issue, the jamming of type bars. By spacing out commonly used letter pairs, the QWERTY layout reduced the likelihood of type bars clashing and jamming. Despite being initially intended to solve a mechanical problem, the QWERTY layout would go on to become the standard for keyboards, a legacy that continues to this day. This layout has been adopted for use in modern computer keyboards, smartphones, and other digital devices, demonstrating its enduring influence on the way we type. As typewriter technology continued to evolve, new innovations were introduced to enhance their functionality. One such innovation was the Shift key. The Shift key allowed typists to switch between upper and lowercase letters, greatly expanding the versatility of the typewriter. This development was a significant step forward in making typewriters more practical and user-friendly. Another important advancement was the introduction of the front strike mechanism. In this design, the type bars hit the front of the carriage, making it easier for typists to see what they were typing as they worked. This improvement not only enhanced the accuracy of typing but also made the process more efficient and user-friendly. The legacy of these early typewriter innovations can still be seen in modern typing devices. From the QWERTY layout to the concept of the Shift key, the foundational elements of typewriter design have been carried forward into the digital age. Today's keyboards, whether on laptops, desktops, or smartphones, owe much to the pioneering work of early typewriter inventors. The contributions of inventors like Christopher Latham Sholes, Carlos Glidden, and Samuel Soule cannot be overstated. Their work laid the groundwork for the development of modern typing technology, influencing the way we communicate in the digital age. Their innovations have had a lasting impact, shaping the tools we use to write and communicate every day. Over the decades, typewriters continued to evolve, with each new model building on the advancements of its predecessors. From the introduction of electric typewriters to the development of word processors, the journey of typing technology has been one of continuous improvement and innovation. Each step forward has brought us closer to the efficient, versatile typing tools we use today. In today's world, the principles established by early typewriter designs are still relevant. The QWERTY layout remains the standard, and the Shift key is an essential feature of every keyboard. As we continue to develop new technologies and devices, the legacy of these early innovations will undoubtedly continue to influence the way we write and communicate. The typewriter's impact extended far beyond the realm of business and literature. It played a pivotal role in the women's suffrage movement. It provided women with new opportunities for employment. They became secretaries, typists, and stenographers, roles that granted them a degree of economic independence. The typewriter also became a tool for social change. It facilitated the spread of ideas and information, contributing to the rise of mass communication. Section 6. Literary Giants and Their Trusted Machines. The typewriter found a cherished place in the world of literature. Many renowned authors, including Mark Twain, Ernest Hemingway, and Maya Angelou, embraced the typewriter as an extension of their creative process. They produced countless manuscripts, letters, and notes on these machines. The rhythmic clatter of typewriter keys became synonymous with the art of writing. Section 7. The Digital Age, the Rise of Computers and the Decline of Typewriters. This chapter delves into the transformative period when the world saw a monumental shift from the mechanical clatter of typewriters to the silent efficiency of computers. The latter half of the 20th century witnessed the meteoric rise of computers. These early machines, initially large and cumbersome, were primarily used by businesses and government agencies. However, as the years progressed, they began to infiltrate homes and schools, becoming an integral part of daily life. As technology advanced, computers became smaller, more affordable, and more powerful. The evolution from room-sized mainframes to sleek portable laptops is a testament to the rapid pace of innovation. Each decade brought significant improvements in processing power, storage capacity, and user interface, making computers more accessible to the general public. Word processing software offered a range of features that typewriters could not match, such as editing, formatting, and storage capabilities. Unlike typewriters, where mistakes were permanent and required correction fluid or tape, word processors allowed users to easily make changes, save multiple drafts, and format documents with a few clicks. This revolutionized the way people wrote and edited text, making the process faster and more efficient. The typewriter, once an indispensable tool, began to fade from offices and homes alike. As computers became more prevalent, the typewriter's limitations became glaringly obvious. The ability to store vast amounts of information, perform complex calculations, and connect to the burgeoning internet made computers the preferred choice for both personal and professional use. The typewriter, with its mechanical simplicity, could no longer compete in this new digital age. It was a poignant end to an era as the clacking keys of typewriters were replaced by the quiet hum of computer fans. Section 8. The typewriter's legacy, a foundation for modern technology. Despite its decline, the typewriter's legacy endures. It laid the foundation for many technologies we use today. The QWERTY keyboard layout, though designed for a mechanical machine, remains the standard for computer keyboards, smartphones, and tablets. The typewriter's influence can also be seen in the design of modern printers. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring allure of the typewriter. The typewriter, once a ubiquitous presence in offices and homes, may now seem like a relic of the past. Its clunky keys and mechanical parts have been largely replaced by sleek, silent keyboards and digital screens. However, the typewriter continues to captivate the hearts and minds of many, yet it continues to hold a certain allure. There's something undeniably charming about the typewriter that modern technology can't quite replicate. It's not just a machine, it's a piece of history, a symbol of a bygone era when writing was a more tactile and deliberate act. Many writers and collectors appreciate the tactile experience of using a typewriter, the act of pressing each key, feeling the resistance and hearing the distinct click-clack sound creates a unique connection between the writer and their words. It's a sensory experience that engages more than just the mind. The satisfying click-clack of the keys, the rhythmic dance of the type bars striking the paper, and the slight vibration of the machine all contribute to a deeply immersive writing experience. It's a process that demands focus and presence, qualities that are often lost in the digital age. The tangible feel of paper, the act of feeding it into the typewriter, and the sight of inked letters appearing with each keystroke add to the magic. There's a sense of permanence and authenticity in each typed page, a feeling that what is written cannot be easily erased or altered. And the permanence of each keystroke evoke a sense of nostalgia and authenticity. For many, the typewriter is more than just a tool, it's a companion in the creative process, a trusted partner in bringing ideas to life. The imperfections in the typed text, the occasional smudges, and the unique font all add character to the final product. The typewriter stands as a testament to the evolution of technology. It bridges the gap between the past and the present, reminding us of how far we've come while also highlighting the timeless aspects of writing. In a world where everything is becoming increasingly digital, the typewriter offers a refreshing return to the analog. It reminds us of the power of human ingenuity to transform communication and shape the world around us. The typewriter played a crucial role in the development of modern communication, enabling faster and more efficient writing. It revolutionized the way people worked, wrote, and shared information, paving the way for the technological advancements we enjoy today. Even today, there are enthusiasts and artisans dedicated to preserving and restoring these remarkable machines. Typewriter repair shops and collectors' communities thrive, keeping the legacy of the typewriter alive. They understand that the typewriter is not just an artifact, but a living piece of history that continues to inspire and connect people across generations. In modern times, the typewriter has found a new place in creative spaces, coffee shops and studios. Writers, artists, and thinkers are rediscovering the joy of typing on a typewriter, finding that it sparks creativity and encourages a more mindful approach to their work. The typewriter's enduring allure lies in its ability to slow us down, to make us appreciate the art of writing in its purest form. The typewriter has also become a source of inspiration for artists and designers. Its iconic design and nostalgic appeal have led to its inclusion in various art installations, merchandise, and even fashion. The typewriter's influence extends beyond the realm of writing, permeating different aspects of culture and creativity. In film, literature, and popular culture, the typewriter often symbolizes creativity, authenticity, and a connection to the past. It serves as a powerful metaphor for the enduring human spirit and the timeless nature of storytelling. The typewriter's presence in these mediums reinforces its status as an enduring icon. For many, owning a typewriter is a deeply personal experience. It becomes a cherished possession, a family heirloom passed down through generations. The typewriter holds memories, stories, and a sense of continuity that transcends time. It's a reminder of the people who used it, the words they wrote, and the impact they had on the world. In contemporary settings, the typewriter often serves as a decorative piece, a conversation starter, and a symbol of individuality. It stands out in a world dominated by uniformity, offering a unique and personal touch to any space. The typewriter's aesthetic appeal and historical significance make it a beloved addition to modern homes and offices. Educational institutions also recognize the value of the typewriter. Schools and museums use typewriters to teach students about the history of communication and the evolution of technology. By engaging with these machines, students gain a deeper appreciation for the tools that shape the way we write and communicate today. Community events and gatherings centered around typewriters are becoming increasingly popular. Enthusiasts come together to share their passion, exchange tips, and celebrate the typewriter's legacy. These events foster a sense of community and connection, bringing people together through their shared love for this remarkable machine. Creative writing workshops, poetry readings, and literary events often feature typewriters as a central element. The typewriter's presence adds a touch of nostalgia and authenticity, enhancing the overall experience for participants and audiences alike. It serves as a reminder of the enduring power of the written word and the timeless nature of storytelling. In moments of personal reflection and introspection, the typewriter offers a unique way to connect with one's thoughts and emotions. The deliberate act of typing encourages mindfulness and self-expression, making it a valuable tool for journaling and personal growth. The typewriter's enduring allure lies in its ability to facilitate a deeper connection with oneself and the world around us. The typewriter, with its rich history and timeless appeal, continues to inspire and captivate. It stands as a symbol of creativity, authenticity, and the enduring power of the written word. In a rapidly changing world, the typewriter remains a cherished reminder of the beauty and simplicity of writing in its purest form.